But when we like start with let's start with SEO only. If we call this podcast an masterclass,
Yeah.
the first step that is choosing the keywords
Yeah.
and the markets.
Yeah.
If anybody with decent SEO experience is starting out SEO,
Yeah.
what tips or what markets you recommend and what angles, because is spread across multiple angles. It
Yeah,
is
exactly.
sports,
Yeah.
it's games,
Yeah.
it's sports book, it's so much stuff. So like what's the like easy to do market in 2025, along with that what angle to work on?
Yeah. So first, I think the first thing to consider is like there is some regulated and unregulated markets. So that's really something that you want to.
If you can little more brief about what is the difference, because I'm
Exactly.
sure this will reach different audiences.
Yeah.
So if they want to know what's the difference between regulated and unregulated.
Yeah. So the main difference is like you have regulated markets where is legal, and you can have like officially a company operating a stuff with a license and everything. So typically, which country is that? Italy is in this situation.
Mostly all European countries.
Mostly all European except French. So
Yeah,
that's like
French,
kind of the crazy stuff. But mostly all the European countries, they have regulated, so you can have the stuff and everything. And you have like not regulated, where it's illegal to operate. But generally, there is still some people that want to gamble online. So you can have like an online that's unlicensed and illegal, accepting players and everything. So there is a big difference first between, let's say, regulated and unregulated markets, which is kind of legal versus illegal markets. So I will not advise people to go on illegal markets, but there is a big money made on illegal markets.
But
as
which
well.
is easier? Like
Which is kind of easier because generally when you're legal, you have the big company with big money and everything. So if you're a small one and you're not scared of the law and everything, generally the unregulated will be a bit easier indeed. Yeah, you have like more spam, more aggressiveness and everything because the regulation just shut down some sites frequently. So it's mixed the sites and it gives some chance to newcomers as well.
okay.